Hey there! Thanks for your purchase of a Euphree front basket. Here's a quick guide that'll show you how to install it. First, you'll need to install the light bracket to the front of your stem. Remove the 2 bolts from the bottom of the stem plate. If it's still too tight, remove 1 bolt from the top as well. Insert the bracket and replace the bolts to hold it in place. Your basket will be attached using the 4 holes located on the front of your frame. If you're having trouble screwing the basket into place, ask a friend to hold it for you. It's recommended that you get the bolts finger tight before tightening them down completely using your Allen wrench. After you've finished screwing the basket into place, make sure the cables are located behind it. Next, we'll need to move the brake lever. Remove the 2 bolts holding the brake lever to the handlebars. Carefully unwind the spiraled cable cover to expose the brake inhibitor cable. Unplug the cable by grasping on either end of the connector and pulling the 2 ends apart. You'll know you've unplugged the correct one by the red color located on the inside. Feed the brake lever through the gap located near the rear of the basket. Bolt the lever back into place. Take this time to adjust the lever into your preferred riding position. Carefully reconnect the 2 ends of the brake inhibitor cable. Note the small tooth located at the bottom. Use this to ensure that the 2 ends are oriented correctly. Not following this step may lead to bent pins. Replace the cable cover by winding it over all 3 cables. Next, we'll move the light up to the bracket we installed previously. Unscrew the light from the back of the fender. Once the light has been removed, it's okay to reinstall the front fender. Remove the wire bracket from the bottom of the light. Using the bolt removed from the bracket, attach the front light to your handlebars. Now you're ready to ride with your new Euphree front basket. Thanks for watching.